When the market crashes, when headlines scream recession, when everyone says this time is different, that's usually when I start buying, not selling, buying. Why would anyone put money into the market when everything looks like it's falling apart? Today, I'm going to explain exactly why I always buy when markets look hopeless, and why that uncomfortable moment is often the safest time to build wealth. Stay with me. This might completely change how you see fear. Chapter 2. Identify the problem. Most investors don't fail because they are stupid. They fail because they are human. When prices rise, you feel smart. When prices fall, you feel danger. Your brain is wired for survival. If something is falling, your instinct says, get out, protect yourself. That instinct keeps you alive in nature. But in markets, it can quietly destroy your long-term returns.